What's good, YouTube? Sam Biso back here with another POV type shit. I'm here with the homie Bachdo.
Yes.
I'm here with the homie Nico.
Can't see me.
Oh shit. It's cool. We're going to CityWalk right now.
We about to have a lit time.
Yes. Here with the homie Martin and Anthony and the other car. We finna go prank people at City Hall.
City Hall?
I'm at CityWalk. Yes, sir. Martin's in the RS5. We in the G80.
Some light.
Some light. How do I look like him?
That's what it looks like right now, the video.
How?
Bro, look. This.
Don't go in my lane. Hold on. One sec. How?
From my POV, like I can see that.
It looks insane?
Yeah, that's
good. It's good. It looks good on the camera.
I'm saying how? Like, what does that mean? How do I look like Squeeze Benz,
bro?
That's what I'm saying. Because the car is exactly the same.
Oh, my bad, bro. So I know y'all heard about that Squeeze Benz situation. That was a real close homie of mine. No, that was a real close homie of mine. He asked me if I could bail him out. I got him. Why are these?
Sister or girlfriend. His bailout was only $1 million, so
yeah, I bailed him out. Light little 100.
Yeah. Light little 100. Just had $1 million.
These bitch boys want to race me. Damn.
Wait, why don't you get up the RS5?
Nah, I don't.
Once after this bend, when we get onto that freeway.
I don't like gapping my homies, bro.
Oh, like this POV video, you guys should, subscribe to my boy Sammy Biso.
Subscribe to the boy Sam Biso. You already know. Sammy Biso, that's crazy. You know, you can follow my boy Bachdo on at Bachdo Yetenekian on Instagram. You can follow Nico at Nico Katargian. You already oh yeah, New Gen Detailing for your finest details. You already know.
Show them the beautiful lights.
There's no lights.
On the way back from
Wait, no way I'm going 110 right now, bro. It's illegal. Can't be doing that.
On the way back from prom yesterday, we were driving, that drive back. Beautiful.
Bro. Where? LA?
Yeah, like with all the buildings and stuff. That's insane. I recorded it last second though.
It's okay.
Like when we were right here.
I'm saying?
Wait, just go back and restart the video.
Go back how? Like that?
Yeah, like right there, but far back when you can see all the buildings.
I don't know. Oh, that's it? Yeah, that shit was fire, bro.
Oh yeah, I put the phone on.
Like, I don't see that shit every day.
I wonder why.
like the videos with no cuts type shit, you know? Just raw footage type shit. No. I like that raw footage.
Almost crashed out right there.
Me?
No, some guy was merging and more flew.
Bro, where's he? He's behind?
It's on your right. I'll chop up this ambulance.
I need some gas, bro.
Top speed run, let us
bro. If y'all want to see us drifting in Rose Bowl, in the Rose Bowl parking lot,
wait.
Let us know.
Let us know if we should, you know, record our next meet.
Nico, are you sure it's recording?
Yeah. Should I pause it and like restart?
No, it's cool. Should, huh? I forgot to bring my camera for our car meet, bro.
Wait, you should record what?
Car meets. But I forgot mine for ours.
Upshift Los Angeles on Instagram.
Yep, follow that up. Follow at Upshift LA. For your best car content and for the best car meets in LA, you already know. Don't I have to blur my speed out?
When it goes over 100, yeah.
I went over 100 like halfway through.
You just put the second digit out, so it could just show like 7 or 8 miles per hour.
Okay. Oh, that place, yeah.
What is it called? MBK?
MB2.
Yeah. MB2 Racing.
Yes, that place is lit.
We should like race there too.
A race there?
Yeah, you should do a go-kart POV.
Hey. Bro, we about to get those fucking pussies at Old Town. I mean, fucking CityWalk.
Let me see how far that place is from.
Bro, it's like an hour.
What, MB2?
18 miles away.
Bro, there's hella potholes here, bro. Lights on.
Are your DRLs on?
Yeah.
Oh my.
You can't see with the DRLs on, bro.
Yeah,
it's bad.
Roll.
Oh Sam, why am I on child lock?
Oh shit, my bad. Let me hear something! Alright. on him though.
Doesn't matter.
That boy was not catching up at all.
Jump mump doesn't exist.
Holy.
Let him
Let's see
come
what
next
his
to me.
excuse is right now.
You jumped. Unless he's a real ass nigga, he'll say, "Damn, bro, jump."
Hey, did I jump?
Hey, you jumped and I'm right there.
No.
Oh my god.
I didn't see.
I saw because I was behind.
I don't know. Well, we're the same speed, bro.
They're faster.
No, I don't. Did I jump actually, or just a little bit?
Crazy, bro. I don't know.
You didn't know.
Yeah, I mean, you went because you had hit. You just went and then I went, but I mean, that shit wasn't bad still.
No, it was a good race. It was a good race.
Oh,
If we had more thing, you would have caught up.
you got it on video?
Yeah, it's right here.
Hey, for the YouTube video, Sam won.
Oh yeah, I won for the YouTube video.
Power slide.
Nico, I don't think it's recording.
Nigga, it has been recording, bro.
Are you sure,
Nice
man?
little 40 roll. G80 stock versus RS5
Fully built.
Fully
Full
built. Oh my! I'm making that a reel, bro, or a YouTube Shorts, bro.
Do it.
That'll get unlimited views. RS5 versus G80.
B9 RS5 full bolt-on stage 2 E85 with upgraded injectors.
All right, Nico, you're dragging it. Nico, stop fighting. All right.
Bro.
He's the new Greg, bro. I'm telling you.
That's crazy, bro. Stop glazing Greg, bro.
All Greg does, the fort. It's not even a fort, it's a queef.
It's a good one, Bachta.
Thanks. Oh yeah, these roads are smooth.
These are guys.
No way people watch your videos.
No way you're talking, bro.
Damn.
Nigga.
Was this it right here?
Nah,
Yeah.
I know.
Hey, we really out here though, I ain't gonna lie.
Wait, out here in the ghetto, bro. I love it over here.
Sam actually grew up in the ghetto and just came up.
Yeah, Sam came from the mud, for real.
Yeah, I came from the mud, nigga.
Came out the womb with them 3 competition keys.
Bro, oh my god, bro, stop
Wait,
glazing.
it's an AMG S65, S63. And we're here.
Bro, I haven't been here in so long, bro.
I've been to Universal.
Oh my, it's beautiful out here.
Oh, yes.
Copyright, whole lot of copyright.
Parking?
How's that?
Wait, where do I
copyright?
park at?
Right here?
Right there?
Yeah, part of non-valet.
Which entrance, bro? Like, fuck, bro.
We're just picking it at CityWalk. Ask this boy, say, is it okay if I park here just to walk across?
Ask, is this a universal walk parking?
This is, what's up, brother? This is Universal Walk parking?
Yes, sir.
All right, perfect. Thank you. Oh, wait, does he think I'm noob with this shit on my head?
Who cares, bro? You're up.
You're up.
Wait, why don't I just go right here?
Yeah, go.
Miana.
I'm looking right at her.
Alright, bro. Alright. Alright, boys. Our
appreciate y'all for tuning in on the banger.
I know you heard that purple.
Alright, I appreciate y'all. We out here getting Hell's Chicken and Tahunga. Alright, I appreciate y'all.
Holy
Bye.
shit, he's